Good morning, everyone. Well, today we're back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corners, and not Corners, Corner. And we are doing scraps to embellishments, and today's theme is Rip It. Create a two-layered embellishment that includes torn paper. So I'm thinking, oh, maybe a tag, maybe something that looks kind of shabby chic. And then I thought, I have those little house dies that I would love to use, and I could make torn snow because I have lots of white paper. So here's the embellishment I made, and I think it turned out super cute. And now I'm doing different ones, so it's like, well, different papers, because it's like whatever I have as scraps. In fact, this one here was all cut from Mente. What did I use? I used Mente Bohemian Wedding. And for these papers, because I thought I want something that it could be, you know, Thanksgiving or Christmas, you know, like that song, Over the River and Through the Woods. That's what I'm thinking. And so I thought that would be cute. And then I've used, now for this one, I used just some green that I don't know. These ones were all papers I don't even know where they were from. And, but these ones I do know, so I thought I'm going to tell you what they are. And then this green, it was a piece from the Wildwood Secrets from Mente. So these, the next two I'm going to make, it will be Mente, but after that, I'll probably be out of those scraps and make something else. So they'll all be different. So to make a long story short, that's it. Okay, so I decided that they had to have something in the windows, because otherwise, you know, it's just a hole in them. And so I thought where the lights are on, I would use yellow paper, and where it's dark, I would use gray paper. So I've already cut a piece that will fit this little piece. I'm gonna come in and try to stay. Let's see, I need to be by this. You know how it's like I get into doing something small and then I've totally am out of screen. So I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got that paper cut. Oh, these are all, the dies are from Temu. And it's really funny because I bought like I had bought like 3 sets of houses, and 2 of them were the same. But because they had like little different pictures, I totally bought 2 that were identical. I don't remember what I've done with them. But anyway, I thought these were cute. I like the little vintage feel. They would be cute like for if you were doing a layout for like Charles Dickens play, if you know your kids were doing that or something. Or, you know, like if you, maybe you live in an old house that looks like this. So I didn't want to make it specifically Christmas. Oh, I need to pop that over. So, got a little piece of glue or something. Oh, it's a little piece of wax. That's what it looks like. Okay. So I'm gonna get the houses put together. Now this one, I think I'm gonna put the light up in the attic or upstairs. Like some of them have went upstairs already. And then I'll have one room dark down here. I'm trying to mix it up so, you know, it looks like different lights are on. Wow. Stuck to me more than glue. Okay. So there's another one. See, the lights are off here. Lights are off up here. Lights on. Okay, and this one, let's see, I've got 2 pieces. I'm going to do the lights on up here. I think the first one I had to put in the paper afterwards because I was already building it. So, okay, and then I'm gonna make this dark like it's in the stairs. Oh, gotta pay attention. You know, sometimes I think it's two-sided and it's not. Okay, and I think this is too big for when I'm using it. Okay, so now I've got all the windows covered. Okay, and I think I'm going to do them like this. So first of all, I need the back. So I'm going to make that kind of bigger. Like this would be good. And I'm going to start out with it a little taller. But I'm going to rip all the way from the bottom because I didn't do that the first time and then I had to keep messing with it. And I'm ripping this part towards me that I'm not going to use so that I have that rough edge. And I think I'm going to tear this a little bit more. You can decide how you want your snow to look. Oh, and if you've seen my earlier video, this is very appropriate. So make sure you go and see my base page that I did today. Okay, so I'm going to have it kind of like that. So I can actually put down this one already. Oh, I don't want to do that yet. I forgot. I want to put a little blue on it. Now, if you look out at snow, lots of times the light's hitting it, or, you know, some parts are darker, some parts are lighter, and it kind of has a blue cast. Now, this one, it's a little darker than what I wanted, but the last one, I tried tumbled glass, and it just looked, oh, maybe mine looks like dirty snow. Let me see if I can rub a little off. I'll have to work with it. I know when I did the one, it looked like, oh, it just looked green. So that's this one. It kind of looked green, so I might have to play with another one. So, okay. I don't mind this one so much, really. Okay, so I think there. I'm going to put this one here. I got to make sure I got enough room, so I'll keep adjusting it. Okay, so I'm going to have that. Oh, I did have it glued already. Okay, but I need a little bit more. And have it about like that. Oh, also I want the trees behind, so it looks like it's behind the big house because this one was there for a long time, so the trees are big. And let's see, I think I'm going to have this one over here. And I'm going to kind of tuck it in back there like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the trunk. Hopefully I'm in screen. Got to pay attention, Terry. Okay, so I think about here. No, this one was the tallest one over there. I might make this one a little taller this time. Have them in different places. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I got some trees there. Oh, I didn't think about this. Hopefully it'll fit in my envelope. I'll have to use a bigger envelope. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one here and this one back here. So I'm gonna tear another piece, and I want it to go across the front here. So this one's gonna be lower, and I might have to make it lower yet, depending on, you know, how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna go try to do a little lighter with this one, because I think this is the one I always used for my blue things before I got the other ones that looked way too green today. I don't know what the deal is. I might have used the wrong sponge or something, I don't know. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one here. Because I want this over here, maybe slide it over here a little bit. Because I want this one back here, and then this one in the front. I like these color houses because I think they look very vintage. Okay, I'm gonna go across here. Okay, gotta make sure I still got enough room because I want just a slight overlap. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I think I want a little more torn off this edge because I don't want snow up to their windows. Let's see how that is. Oh, still too much snow. Too much snow. Okay, I think that looks pretty good there. And I'll pull it down just a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. And I could probably have them all lined up together, but I like the idea of it being separate layers. Okay, and then one here. And I can put quite a bit of glue on that. And if I notice that it seems too flimsy back there, I take just like extra strips of paper. Like this one, this part might seem too flimsy. I think it won't though after I put the glue here. If it does, I just put like paper things behind there to make it stiffer. Okay. And then I want to put some in the front of this one. Okay, I think probably about there. And then when I get this all done, I'll just cut it off at the bottom, or like in this one, I cut it off, and then I actually put one more after that, which I did with which I could do with this one. Maybe I'll do that. Where is my long pair of scissors? Oh, here they are. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that because that's how I did with the other one. I like that. And then put this. Okay, yep, I like that. So I'm excited to see what everybody else does with this suggestion. Or prompt. Okay, so there's my little scene. It's actually kind of a big scene. I mean, it's a good 6 inches. So that's it for today. There will be a link down below so you can see what everybody else is making. And if you haven't joined us and you would like to join us, then just go over to Ginger's Corner. There will be a link for that down there too. And sign up and you can make these. And oh, and we make 8 of them and swap them out with the other people that are making them. So these are the dies that I got from Temu. And this one was a die that had, I think, a couple different trees in it, like a regular, like a oak tree or something, and then these pine trees. So yeah, 4 houses with the one collection, and then you got a couple of trees with the other. And I'm just doing this one because I'm, you know, on the kind of the winter idea. So that's it for today. I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, go over and check out my base page if you haven't seen that yet. Bye-bye.